Good morning. How's your day?
Okay lang.
Very good. Laging okay dapat. Thank you for making business. Hi there guys and gals. One lovely morning to each every one of you. How are you all doing? The sun is so high just like our dreams. Thank you Lord for these wonderful blessings. Day 162 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. Do the same thing, okay? Earn, save, invest on your own, not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams. Not too good to be true promises, business transactions, or any business proposals. Avoid that. Otherwise, when you got failed, you will feel upset, sad, devastated, mad, angry, or what disappointed or whatever ill feelings that you will have. Your dreams will not push through and will not prosper. Beware and be aware, okay? Afterwards, expand and enjoy. Again, earn and earn, say bye for now. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge.